This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the Honda Civic logo in car parking. First, pick your favorite Civic model from the garage. Then, navigate to the customization menu and find the decals or vinyl section. We will begin by placing a simple rectangular shape as the base for our logo. Make sure to adjust its dimensions to perfectly fit the area where you want your logo to appear on your car. This foundational step is crucial for a clean finish. Now, let's create the iconic H emblem. You'll need two thin rectangular shapes for the vertical sides of the letter. Place them parallel to each other, leaving a small gap in between. Next, take a third, shorter rectangle and position it horizontally to connect the two vertical pieces, forming the crossbar. Ensure all three shapes are perfectly aligned and spaced to achieve the classic Honda H look. Group them for easy manipulation. Moving on, it's time to add the Civic text. Access the text tool in your decal editor and type out Civic in all capital letters. Choose a clean, sans serif font that closely resembles the official logo. Carefully adjust the text size so it is proportionate to the H emblem you just created. Then, position the Civic text neatly below the H symbol, ensuring it is centered for a balanced appearance. This brings the logo to life. For our final steps, let's bring everything together. Select all the individual shapes and text elements that form your Honda Civic logo and group them into one complete unit. This makes it much easier to move and resize. Now, adjust the overall size and rotation of the entire logo to your liking. Carefully place it on your car's bodywork, perhaps on the trunk or side panels. Don't forget to experiment with different colors to perfectly match your car's unique theme. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.